Hello and welcome to Maths Filled Pie. Today we're going to be doing a grade 9 question that only 3% of students in the exam got correct. Okay, so the information that is given to us is S is a geometric sequence. Given that root x minus 1, 1 and root x plus 1 are the first three terms of S, find the value of x. You must show all your working. Okay, so this is a question about a geometric sequence. A geometric sequence means that each term is multiplied by the same value each time. Another example of a geometric sequence would be 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. This is because each term is multiplied by the same factor each time, and that is 2. So to get from 1 to 2, you multiply by 2. From 2 to 4, you multiply by 2. From 4 to 8, you multiply by 2. And it just keeps going on exactly the same. Okay, so in our sequence, we're told that root x minus 1, 1, and root x plus 1 are the first three terms. So we're going to write that down now, just so we can help visualize it. Root x minus 1, 1, root x plus 1. So because this is a geometric sequence, if we divide the second term by the first term, we'll get the same as if we divide the third term by the second term. If you're confused about this, I'll show you on this example. So if we divide the second term, which is 2, by the first term, which is 1, it equals 2, which is what we times by. If I divide 4 by 2, which is our third term, divided by our second term, then I also get 2. So that's just how it works. Okay, so we're going to do our second term, which is 1, over our first term, which is root x minus 1. And we're going to say that is equal to our third term over our second term. So 1. Now, in order for us to get all the x's on one side of the equal sign, we're going to cross multiply. So we're going to multiply both sides by 1 to get rid of this denominator on this side, and we're going to multiply both sides by root x minus 1 to get rid of this denominator. So that leaves us with 1 times 1, which equals 1, and then our root x plus 1 times by our root x minus 1. Now we're going to expand the brackets, but you may have already noticed that these are actually dots, difference of two squares. So that means that we only need to focus on multiplying these two and these two together, because positive 1 times root x equals positive root x. Negative 1 times by root x is negative root x. And if we add those together, we just get 0. So we can ignore them. So we're going to do root x multiplied by root x, which just gives us x. Now we're going to do positive 1 multiplied by negative 1. And that is negative 1. This still equals 1. So we're going to put that on this side of the equal sign. Now the last step is to get x by itself. So we're going to add 1 on each side to get rid of this, which gives us 2, because we've added 1, and x. And that is our answer. X equals 2. Hopefully now you'll be one of the 3% of students that got this exam question correct. Make sure to like and subscribe to get better at maths. Bye!